Okay? Huwag mong kakalimutan to. First, you have to judge your speed and your distance. And don't forget one very important thing. Don't forget to stop or else. Tulog ka, okay? So, Ram, dito ka na. Ayan. So, kaya mo yan. Ayan. Mag-start tayo dito. There you go. Ready? Go! How about some encouragement with Ram? Forward tayo. Ram, give me some help. Slide and stop. Okay. Give me some help. Cookie Fox, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Now slide. And... I told you to slide and stop, not to slide and sing. Okay, folks, I think this is the end of our competition. And in every competition, there is always a winner. Oh. Laura, can you join me in the middle? Come on. Dito tayo sa gitna kasi awarding ko to. Ano ka dito? Don't be shy, come on. Ayan. Okay. So, Rob, thank you very much. And congratulations! Oh, you have successfully defended your title. Good job. Hey, Rob, don't be sad because Ernie has something for you. Just give me your hand. Because you deserve a juicy fish. Oh, di ba? Come on. What are you waiting for? You can eat it now. Open your mouth. Of course, I'm only kidding. Why don't you give it back to Ernie? Just like that, okay? Yes. Closer. Let's go head first.